How to Make Money with Canva AI, Beginner's Guide. Everyone talks about ChatGPT, but did you know Canva's new AI can actually put money into your pocket? In this video, I'll walk you step by step through Canva AI, even if you've never designed anything before. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn Canva AI into a side hustle or even a full-time income stream. Stay until the end, because I'll reveal the method that can make you money while you sleep. Don't forget to like, share, and follow so you'll be the first to know when new videos drop. What is Canva AI? But now, they've added Magic Studio powered by AI. Type a single prompt, and boom, logos. Social media posts, YouTube thumbnails, presentations, even videos, all done in seconds. This isn't just design. This is your money-making machine. Method 1. First up, digital products. On Etsy, Gumroad, and Creative Market sellers are making thousands of dollars selling planners, templates, and resumes. Normally, this takes hours. But with Canva AI, you just type, create a pastel aesthetic planner to Canva, delivers instantly. Save as PDF, upload. Done. Passive income on autopilot. You can scale this endlessly new niches, new trends, new audiences. Method 2. Next, freelancing. On Fiverr and Upwork, people charge $10, $50 for thumbnails or posts. With Canva AI, you can deliver the same in minutes. Imagine this. You sell a package of 10 Instagram posts for $50. Canva does the heavy lifting. You polish it in 30 minutes, and boom, $50 earned in less than an hour. Repeat that just 5 times a day. That's $250 a day, over $7,000 a month. Method 3. Third, grow your own social media empire. Posting consistently is hard, but Canva AI changes the game. You can generate carousels, branded posts, even scripts for TikTok or YouTube. Once your audience grows, monetize with affiliate links, sponsorships, or digital products. Your content becomes a money-making machine, running 24/7. Method 4. And don't forget Canva's magic right. Need ad copy, blog posts, or captions? Done in seconds. Freelancers are charging hundreds for this service, but with Canva AI, you can deliver faster, cheaper, and better. For your own business, use it to boost conversions and traffic. Words sell, and Canva AI gives you the words that pay. So let's recap. Canva AI can make you money by selling digital products, freelancing, growing your social media craft, copywriting and branding. The truth? This is one of the most underrated AI tools out there right now. Start today, and you'll be ahead of 90% of people still just scrolling TikTok. If this video helped, smash that like button, subscribe, and comment Canva AI so I know you're ready to start your side hustle journey.